What have we got today, Aurora?
It's a Rainbocorn.
What?
It's a Rainbocorn.
You're eating while you're trying to say what you have. This one is got the peach horn, hasn't it? We think this one could be the flamingo, but not the golden one.
No.
Maybe the rainbow one?
Or maybe there's 3 different color ones. Mommy,
What's the clue?
I love the sea.
Oh, I love the ocean.
I love the ocean.
I wonder what that one could be.
Thank you for reading out my clue. I love swimming in the ocean.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Aurora, there's bin behind you.
What?
Even when I was taking photos from before last year when he was over in there,
There you go. They certainly have put a lot of plastic in these new ones, haven't they?
Over the horn? Sorry.
Kids are playing baby corns down.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh, I wonder if we've got twinsies baby corns. I wonder what accessory we're going to get. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's the watermelon. Who's the one that has watermelon on it?
Just take all the blue sequins away.
Oh, it wasn't the rainbow one. It's the pink flamingo.
It's like a normal flamingo.
And it's like watermelon. And what have we got? We got an accessory. And we got our rainbow corn poo.
Yeah.
And we got our boo-boo corn. And what are we going to get?
Or Rainbicorns.
We're going to open it up. I don't think you've got twinsies today. Oh, look, this is the accessory. Oh, she smells lovely.
Where
Oh.
is the egg?
Oh, she smells nice.
Where's the little egg?
Let me do it.
Here, here.
Okay.
And our boo-boo corn is?
What Rainbicorns are?
Oh, a flamingo?
Flamingo.
A flamingo one.
Do you love bracelet?
And it's cool, there's a little flyer. So we got, let's see what we got.
Oh, you mean who we got?
Where are they?
I think they're... Oh, here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we got the pink flamingo. We got coral.
Coral.
That's why she likes the sea. I wanted to get Poppy.
We can get Poppy tomorrow.
Poppy actually has a rainbow coloured heart. Her heart has got the rainbows, and we've got Chico. We need to get Bella, which is in a gold, by the way. That's going to be a bit interesting. And then we saw that one today, I think. And then there's the lions.
Don't get dirt on you.
I'm just flying.
Oh, Oh, look, there is a unicorn that has gold, Aurora. Oh, well, here you go. This is coral.